Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is May 12th, 2025, and we're diving into FOX's latest earnings report for the third quarter of fiscal 2025. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to discuss FOX's performance, especially given the significant events like the Super Bowl that have impacted their results this quarter.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. FOX reported revenues of $4.37 billion for the quarter, marking a 27% increase year over year. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
Absolutely. The revenue growth was primarily driven by a 65% increase in advertising revenues, largely due to the Super Bowl licks and digital growth from the Tubi AVOD service. Additionally, affiliate fee revenues saw a modest increase, contributing to the overall growth.
And how did this translate into profitability?
FOX reported a net income of $354 million, which is a decrease from the previous year. However, their adjusted EBITDA was $856 million, slightly down from last year due to higher expenses, particularly in sports programming and production costs.
EPS performance and analyst expectations. FOX's adjusted earnings per share came in at $1.10, surpassing the analyst forecast of 93¢. John, what does this tell us about FOX's performance relative to market expectations?
This is a significant beat, with FOX exceeding expectations by 17 cents per share. It highlights the company's ability to leverage major events like the Super Bowl to drive profitability, despite the increased costs associated with such events.
How many analysts were surveyed for this forecast?
There were 6 analysts surveyed, and FOX's performance certainly exceeded their collective expectations, which is a positive indicator for the company's strategic execution.
Segment performance and strategic initiatives. Let's delve into the segment performance. How did the cable network programming and television segments fare this quarter?
The cable network programming segment reported revenues of $1.64 billion, up 11% year over year, driven by higher news ratings and digital advertising. The television segment saw a 40% increase in revenues to $2.7 billion, largely due to the Super Bowl and digital growth from Tubi.
What strategic initiatives are driving these results?
FOX's focus on digital expansion, particularly through Tubi, and leveraging high-profile events like the Super Bowl are key strategies. These initiatives are enhancing their advertising capabilities and expanding their audience reach.
CEO insights and future outlook. FOX's CEO, Lachlan Murdoch, provided some insights into the company's performance and future outlook. What were the key points?
Lachlan Murdoch emphasized FOX's role in informing and entertaining America, highlighting their record free cash flow and the strength of their platform. He expressed confidence in their strategy and assets, which he believes position FOX well for long-term shareholder value.
How does this outlook align with their current performance?
The strong financial results, particularly in advertising and digital growth, support Murdoch's positive outlook. FOX's strategic focus on leveraging their assets and maintaining a robust balance sheet is likely to drive continued success.
Key takeaways. In summary, FOX has delivered a strong performance this quarter with significant revenue growth and an impressive EPS beat. John, any final thoughts on FOX's investment prospects?
FOX's strategic initiatives and strong execution, particularly in digital and advertising, make it a compelling investment. Their ability to capitalize on major events and digital platforms positions them well for future growth.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch for more financial analyses. We'd love to hear your thoughts on FOX's performance in the comments below.